Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the error of GA Lottery 40 app. So let's get started. So here you will actually search for GA Lottery app. So here we can see GA Lottery app. So to fix the error, you have to follow this step. So the first is to click and hold it here. Then you have to click on this I button. After that, here you have to scroll down and here you have to click on the storage and clear the data and open the app. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked, you have to check for the update. Just close it and then you have to go to your Google Play Store, or you can directly search into Google search bar also. GA Lottery, okay, app. So at here you have to download from any website the latest app, and you can download and install it and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.